Hey everyone, so I'll be doing a completely cold start of this excursion and then a walk around video as well. This is such an awesome example. Love the colors. Just like the right car. Pull forward a little bit. All right. So let's see it. You can see this truck is the real deal. Body is in exceptional condition. 7.3 motor runs perfectly. Body is just stunning. Anything you see here, this is just nothing. Compound. Finish is just amazing on this truck. There's not a ding, it's crazy. We'll look inside. Seats are in great condition. We're getting rear headrests, so you'll be having those as well. The rear seats, headliner, everything's proper working condition. 4x4 high. 4x4 low, gauged, back to high, two-wheel drive. I hear it shifting. I have a driving video as well that will get posted, but it does drive incredibly. I mean, it's even more incredible. It's like this is, not all highway driving, and 14.8 miles a gallon is what I got. And that's driving around locally. So definitely good on fuel. And all the controls are in great shape. The carpets are really clean. It's just a really, really crisp example. It's hard to find them like this. Seats look great. Carpets are clean. Just the right truck. See underbody. Super clean example. Low miles, 7.3, it's barely even broken in. Seats work. So, dare I say it's one of the best 7.3s you're gonna find out there, but it really is. And the color is everything. This color is just amazing. So, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think, and good luck to everybody. Thank you.